And how about this clearance price, Tara Tesher?
Love.
Hi, friend.
Mwah. Hi.
Always lovely to have you back.
Oh, great to be here.
This is from Temp-tations, the Floral Lace in the Old World. This is service for 4.
Yes.
20 pieces.
Yes.
Clearance priced. Never going to be made again. That's why if you need a particular color or pattern, please get as many as you think you're going to need tonight, because if we sell out of anything, we wave goodbye.
That's right.
Tell us about Basketweave.
Sure. So Basketweave, all sculptural, which we love. So that sculptural detail with, of course, the Basketweave design, layer upon layer of workmanship, and then detail creates a roadmap for the artisans to then go ahead and hand paint. It has a beautiful coupe shape, so all of your liquids are going to stay put. So if you have the beautiful Rastelli steak on there, all of the juices will stay. 4 of your 10-inch dinner plates. Then, David, as we start to stack, we have 4 of your 7-inch salad or dessert plates. We did the full detail on that plate, so you can see again all that sculptural detail, all raised. That's what we call embossed. Then we did, for the first time ever, 5.5-inch bread or little dipping dishes, if you want, if you will. We included 4 of your 16-ounce bowls, individually hand painted on the outside as well as the inside, and there's that all-over color saturation. And then another first in the collection, and that is our pedestal cups, our parfait cups that are also included.
Dessert cups.
Dessert cups, love those. You can even use it with, of course, that little plate to do a little, look how sweet that is, a little coaster.
You could also use them as sorbet cups.
You could, to cleanse the palate.
To cleanse the palate.
Right.
In between
We're so
courses.
fancy.
We're very fancy. All right, so you're getting 20-piece means service for 4.
Yes.
If you decide you need service for 8, get a couple sets. If you're going to need 12, I would go ahead and get 3. If you're worried about overtime breakage,
Sure.
maybe get some extra sets, because remember, these are being retired.
That's right.
They will not be coming back. So if there's a color you know you need or already have at home,
Right.
and you're thinking, well, if they're never going to make them again, why
And
shouldn't
no
I get
plans
one
to
more
make
set?
another Basketweave Dinnerware Set.
Can I tell you,
Yes.
ordinarily priced at $105.25, we are $55.27 less.
Amazing.
And with, no, I'm not wrong, free shipping and handling,
That's huge.
you're saving $62.77. So if you order 1 set or 15, you pay the same price for shipping. You know what that price is? 0. All right. Now, let's take a look at
So we
colors.
have Old World. We're going to go across, and then Floral Lace is down in
So
front.
Old World's up top and Floral Lace is down
Yes.
below. This is the red Old World.
This is also available. It's a companion piece.
Oh, okay, this is a separate piece.
Yes.
This bowl. Okay. So just for the dinnerware, we're looking at less than 1,000 in the red. Old World. Old World cranberry. 800 left.
Wow.
Old World in the blue. Fewer than 100. Oh my word, blue lovers, get that while you can. Here it is in the eggplant. 7 dozen left. Now this is the Old World brown. 650 left, and Old World spice. 300, and then they're gone.
Can you believe we have 6 colors in Old World? That's it.
And then they're gone for good.
And they're gone. That's
and then
right.
They're gone for good. Down below is your Floral Lace. Now, this is Floral Lace red, 2,300. Floral Lace in the cranberry, 750. Floral Lace in the spice, 1,000. In the green, 1,300. Then come over here in the eggplant, 550 remaining. In the, say it with me, chocolate. 1,400. Then we have the light blues, 1,800. And then finally, this one is
Spring.
Spring.
Spring has, of course, the little butterfly detail, the lime green, the beautiful, that soft purple.
Here's your
That's
butterfly.
so
Look inside the
fun.
bowl.
Look at that. So the fact that you have it sculptural and then hand painted on the inside there with that color saturation, that's what I love about the Basketweave. Not only the workmanship, David, that goes into all these pieces, it looks like your fine china, but like we love to say, it's not just another pretty plate. You literally can put these in your oven up to 500 degrees and reheat that piece of pizza.
That close-up was Ray in the control room.
I love that. Thank you, Ray. That was gorgeous. They're all beautiful. They're all individually done, and everything you've loved from Temp-tations. So in the oven, yes, 500 degrees. In the microwave, of course.
Yes.
In the dishwasher, our favorite part. And then, of course, the fridge and the freezer if you're prepping or doing things ahead of
I
time.
put my shoes in the dishwasher.
I know you would. Oh, I know you
I
would.
Hey, can I tell you that we are not making this set
We
again?
are
And when I
not.
say we, I mean her. Temp-tations, they're not making this set again. This is being retired. Say you already own a set of this dinnerware, and by some horrible bad stroke of
Don't
luck,
even say it.
this piece got broken. How are you going to replace it? Well, tonight you still can. You can buy another set and have extras for breakage. Now, having said that,
Oh, you can do it.
you don't have to worry too much about these on the countertop. They're pretty
Correct.
durable. You go up to the second floor of your house and throw them out on your concrete driveway, they're going to break. But I'm saying if you have them in the house and you're a little rough with them, no big deal. These are made to be lived with, eaten on, cleaned, used again the next day, breakfast cereal, tossed in the sink until you get home from school to wash out that bowl, whatever. This is a 218-334. We are very, very busy. Here's service for 4.
Look at that. And I love it's a 5-piece, so something different. You can dress it up when you're doing maybe something a little formal, David, and you want to have the parfait cups or you want to cleanse the palette and have the sorbet. That's really fun. But then if it's just you and you just want to heat something up in the microwave, you can throw that plate right in the microwave or put that right in the oven. Remember, it's everything we love from Temp-tations, all individually hand painted, but it's a dinnerware set. And maybe over the holidays when you had more company in your home than you've had all year, you were thinking, I have a lot of mixed match pieces, I'm missing pieces, I've broken pieces. What a great opportunity to get an everyday set that goes from everyday to holiday.
Well, get yours now because, again, these, when they're gone for good. This is your Old World Red. Okay, we have fewer than 1,000, so about 985 to go around. In the cranberry, 700 left in the cranberry. In blue, blue is now gone. Okay,
that.
blue is gone. All right, here we go.
Alana to the rescue.
Alana is here.
I got
There
it.
you are, my darling. Thank you. Be careful, that one on top. And then from there, we go to eggplant in the Old World. 6 dozen, brown. 600 and spice. 250. Now, moving down to floral lace. Here's floral lace in the red. Most popular. Then floral lace in the cranberry. Available, then the spice. Then the green. Move over to eggplant in floral lace. 500 now in the eggplant. Next in the chocolate. Available. Next to that is the light blue. And then finally we have the spring available for you and only 500 left in the spring.
Wow.
These are going very quickly and shipping is absolutely
That's
free.
what's amazing.
So if you order 1 set or 10 sets, you're going to pay the same shipping for all of that. 0. Big goose egg. So that's why you want to get yours tonight. Also put it on Easy Pay. 6 Easy Pays. But the Easy Pay and the free shipping go away end of day.
Really?
Tonight,
Whoa.
end of day.
No pressure.
No
As in 11:59
time-
tonight?
No time like the present. Get yours while the getting is good because remember, we've already lost 1 color. More could follow. Get yours while the getting is good. Do you like pie with a white eye?
Of course.
Well, I actually have a pie plate coming up.
Oh, yes, you do. I didn't know where we were going with
From
that.
you.
I do, figural, including egg hunt.
Including the one for Easter, right?
Yes.
Just in time. And shamrocks.
And romance.
And all of it. Hey, Stacy Lou, are you talking Meet the